Right, is the old specification C3 June 2018 question 7 bit of differentiation with the quotient rule. So you're going to find dy by dx and y is equal to that, and the exact coordinates of the stationary points. Is the quotient rule. So if I want dy by dx, I need to do the top line differentiated. So it's going to be 1 over x squared plus 1 multiplied by x squared plus 1 differentiated. So it's the x squared plus 1 differentiated over the x squared plus 1 multiplied by the denominator, the g of x, which is x squared plus 1, and minus, then it's just the top line, the ln of x squared plus 1 multiplied by this bottom line differentiated, multiplied by 2x all over x squared plus 1 squared. I'll do a bit of simplifying. These two factors will go, and I could also take a 2x out as a factor. Then you get the mark for writing this, but I think it's better with the 2x taken out as a factor. And then the exact coordinates of the station point. Well, I need to make this top line equal to 0 because I've got it factorized, and either 2x equal to 0. Or that bracket's equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, the y, well, it's going to be ln 1 over 1, which is just 0. And if this is equal to 0, that means the ln of x squared plus 1 is equal to 1, which means x squared plus 1 is equal to e, sort of e to the power of both sides, really. Given that the x is plus or minus the square root of e minus 1, take the 1 over and square root it, but it could be positive or negative. And I want the corresponding y value for that. So I'll stick the x value back into the y, and I get this. This is just e minus 1, and I've got to add 1, so it's the ln of e all over e, and the top line is just 1. Could have saved yourself a bit of work though, really, because if I look at the y, and I want ln of x squared plus 1, but I know that that's equal to 1, and I also know that x squared plus 1 is equal to e, so I could have just written just 1 over e for this rather than do this. And then there are the final coordinates, three station points, 0, 0, and then two x values. Both have got the corresponding y value of 1 over e though.